Looking to create a stunning, durable, and natural-looking floor that stands out? Epoxy natural stone flooring is one of the most beautiful and long-lasting options for both indoor and outdoor spaces. It combines the strength of epoxy resin with the raw elegance of natural stones, giving your floor a seamless, glossy finish that's built to last. In this video, we'll show you how to install epoxy natural stone flooring step by step, from surface prep to the final coating. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather materials and tools. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need epoxy resin, natural stones or decorative aggregates, a mixing drill, trowel, roller, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. Choosing high-quality epoxy is key. It ensures proper bonding, shine, and durability. Also, pick stones that are uniform in size for an even finish. Quartz, marble chips, or river pebbles work best for this type of flooring. Step 2. Prepare the surface. A flawless finish starts with perfect prep. Clean the surface thoroughly to remove any dust, grease, or old paint. If you're working on concrete, repair any cracks or uneven areas with filler or patching compound. Once cleaned and smooth, make sure the surface is completely dry before moving on. You can also lightly grind or sand the surface. This helps the epoxy adhere better and prevents peeling later. Step 3. Mix the epoxy resin. Now it's time to mix the magic. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when mixing the epoxy and hardener. Usually, the ratio is 2 to 1, 2 parts resin to 1 part hardener, but always check your product label. Use a drill mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is smooth and clear. Remember, once mixed, epoxy starts to cure quickly, so don't let it sit too long in the bucket. Step 4. Combine epoxy with natural stones. Next, pour your mixed epoxy over the natural stones in a large mixing container. Use a trowel or spatula to evenly coat every stone with epoxy. This ensures each piece bonds perfectly. The stones should look glossy and wet, but not swimming in resin. This mixture will become your flooring material, a thick, durable layer that's both strong and beautiful. Step 5. Apply the epoxy stone mixture to the floor. Now comes the most satisfying part, application. Spread the epoxy stone mixture evenly over your prepared surface using a steel trowel. Work in small sections to maintain consistency and ensure an even layer, typically about ½ inch to 1 inch thick. Press gently as you go, filling gaps and creating a smooth, level surface. If you're working outdoors, consider adding edge forms to keep the mixture contained while it cures. Step 6. Smooth and finish the surface. After the entire surface is covered, use your trowel or roller to gently smooth the surface and remove air bubbles. For larger spaces, you can use a spiked roller for better leveling. Allow the flooring to cure for at least 24 to 48 hours, depending on temperature and humidity. Avoid walking on the surface during this time. Patience here means perfection later. Step 7. Apply a clear epoxy topcoat, optional but recommended. Once your base layer is fully cured, apply a clear epoxy topcoat for extra protection and shine. This final layer enhances color depth, seals the stones, and makes cleaning easier. Use a roller to apply it evenly and let it cure for another 24 hours. After that, your floor will be glossy, durable, and ready to impress. Maintenance tips. Epoxy natural stone flooring is low maintenance but long-lasting. Sweep or vacuum regularly to remove dirt and debris. For deep cleaning, use mild detergent and water, no harsh chemicals needed. And if you ever notice dull spots, a thin layer of clear epoxy can restore that perfect shine. And that's how you install epoxy natural stone flooring, from prep to perfection. If you want a professional installation or premium quality epoxy materials, Fixit Dubai has you covered. Visit fixitdubai.ae to explore flooring services, epoxy products, and expert support for your next renovation project. Transform your floor into a masterpiece with Fixit Dubai, where durability meets design.